Assalamu alaikum teachers. Welcome to the third part of the tutorial on Zoom live sessions. In this part of the tutorial, we will look at the steps we have to take if we are teaching on Zoom for the live session. If we are teaching on Zoom for a live session, then we will join the live session meeting hosted by a co-teacher. The link will be available in Google Classroom, and you can also ask your co-teacher to send it to you directly. The first and safest step is to sign in to Zoom at zoom.us. Remember to sign in with Google. Now you can click on the link in Google Classroom 2 minutes before the start of the session, and if your co-teacher has already started hosting the session, then you will automatically join it. The other option is to click on Join a Meeting and manually enter the meeting ID. In this way also, Zoom will automatically open. Remember to enter the password that is available on Google Classroom or that was sent to you by your co-teacher. As you can see, we must wait for our co-teacher to let us into the meeting. Click Join with Computer Audio. Now you must unmute yourself by clicking Unmute or by requesting your co-teacher to unmute you if they have disallowed participants from unmuting themselves. Remember to use headphones, especially if both co-teachers are in one room. Make sure that you have thoroughly gone through your slides and your lesson plan, and that you have compiled all the PowerPoints or other resources such as YouTube links, pictures, or Word files of assignments so that you are completely ready to host the session. Then, before students join, you can share your screen. When we click Share Screen, we have the options to share different apps or share a whole screen. Since we will start, for example, with a PowerPoint, first I will only share the PowerPoint. Now this PowerPoint presentation is being shared with the students and the teachers. Remember to click F5 on your keyboard to make it full screen. A very important step to do before students join is to go to More and disable participants annotation. So you go to the top, go to More, and you disable it as I did before, and no need to re-enable it. Now let's say I want to share a YouTube video now. I will go to New Share, go to my YouTube video, check Share Computer Sound since we want the sound to also go to our students, and then click Share. Make it full screen. And now our participants are watching the video. Once you are done, you can click Stop Share. Remember, during the lesson, students may be asking questions in chat, which hopefully your co-teacher will be helping you out with. Or if you have a question and answer time in your lesson plan, you can request your co-teacher to unmute students who have raised their hand to ask a question. In the last few minutes of your session, you must explain the follow-up assignment that will be uploaded on Google Classroom to the students, and if possible, share your screen and show them the assignment on Google Classroom. For this, you must have Google Classroom open during the Zoom session. If you disconnect for some reason, don't panic and try to reconnect as soon as possible. If feasible, have other devices ready to reconnect. We hope this video was helpful in helping you understand how to go about teaching using Zoom. This will be the result of cooperation between you and your co-teacher and teamwork and collaboration. Try and practice beforehand with your co-teacher, with them hosting and you teaching as much as possible so it goes as smoothly as possible. Good luck and thank you.